Welcome to this English Conversations and Questions and Answers episode.
Part 1. Questions and Answers about the travel.
Hello, I would like to go aboard.
Okay. But have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I came to Italy last year for a business trip.
How many places have you traveled to?
I visited all the provinces throughout my country.
What's your favorite tourist attraction?
That would be Venice City in Italy. I love riding the gondola along the canals while watching Italian people live their daily lives.
What language do you use when traveling?
English, but sometimes I have to use body language since not all people are good at English.
Who do you usually go with?
I often go with my family, sometimes with my best friends.
Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour?
I love backpacking with my friends who share the same interests as me.
What do you do to prepare for your trip?
Before the trip, I search for information about the location, weather, famous tourist attractions, transportation, local cuisine and prices on the internet.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train, or plane?
I prefer planes, although it can be a little expensive. Planes are much faster than any other mode of transport.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I often go sightseeing, take pictures, mingle with the local people and sample the local cuisine.
What do you usually bring when you travel?
I usually pack my suitcase with some necessary items such as clothes, medicine, food, a map, and a camera.
Part 2. Questions and Answers about the website.
What's your favorite website?
I think it's probably youtube.com.
What type of websites do you often search for?
It varies depending on my goal. I prefer entertainment and education websites such as facebook.com, wikipedia.org and VOA Special English.
Can you read websites in English?
Yes, I can. Most useful websites are written in English.
How long have you been using them?
I have been using these websites since I was a freshman at university.
What's the most popular website in your country?
I'm not quite sure, but I guess it would be facebook.com.
What do you visit those websites for?
I use them to study online or relax after working.
Do you think the youth should use websites as a reliable source of knowledge?
Not always, they should choose their sources carefully. Part 3. Questions and Answers about the accident.
What happened?
I was hit by a car while crossing the road.
Who was involved in the accident?
The car driver, his family, inside the car, and me.
Have you ever been in any traffic accident?
Yes, 3 years ago.
How did you feel then?
I felt really terrible because of my injuries.
Did the insurance company pay for repair service?
I was walking, so I did not require any car repair services.
Why should people obey traffic regulations?
To protect themselves and others. The best ways are to wear a helmet, wait for traffic lights, and stay in the appropriate vehicle/pedestrian lanes.
Do you have a driving license?
Yes, I do. I always keep it in my purse.
Did you need a lawyer?
I hurt my lower back just a little, so I didn't call a lawyer.
Were you sent to the hospital after the accident?
No, the injury wasn't really serious.
Did you report the issue to the police?
No, we didn't want to get the police involved. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more videos.